Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for that question. From the outset, Honourable Speaker, I'd like to say that the three divisional hospitals, CWM Labasa and Lautoka, provide specialist cardiac services. In addition, this occasionally is also provided at subdivisional hospital by visitation from the three big hospitals. The daily admissions and management of patients with cardiac disease, such as acute coronary syndrome, those who have complete heart attacks or unstable angina with or without complications, heart failure, arrhythmias, and rheumatic heart disease with valve replacement. Internal consultations are done and multidisciplinary care for patients with severe illness and multi-organ disease involvement. There's also inpatient echocardiography for booked and emergency cases. Echo is also done now as a clinic setting, and we've been working also in partnership with the Cyprema Foundation. They have a new echo unit which is available here in SSF for children. We also have the opportunity to do echo in our intensive care unit using portable echo machines. At the CWM Hospital, our team provides emergency pacemaker insertion for those Fijians who have complete heart block or severe bradycardia or are unresponsive to medical treatment for some form of arrhythmia. The outpatient services consist of weekly cardiac clinic carried out in the cardiac clinic in the three main hospitals, where new cases that are being referred are diagnosed and treated, and also discharged patients are being followed up. We also have patients who are on long-term treatment, such as being on anticoagulation, because they have a risk of having another heart attack, or those who had a rheumatic heart replaced in the past. They need to be on warfarin or anticoagulation. They're actually being seen in this clinic. Also in the outpatient, we have outpatient echocardiography. This is run by a consultant physician who has an interest in cardiology, and we have cardiologists in-house at CWM, and also those with cardiology interest in Lautoka and Labasa. And even though they may be a consultant, they may also have a team with them, and these are junior doctors who are training to be cardiologists. We also perform outpatient exercise stress tests, and the outreach echocardiogram services or echo services are provided by CWM to rural and community-based centers such as Nakasi Health Center, Nosori Health Center, Korobo Subdivision Hospital, Winindao Subdivision Hospital, and Lavua Subdivision Hospital. And this is something that wasn't there in the past. As we are moving towards universal health coverage and having a presence on the ground, we're utilizing the facilities that we have in place as a platform to be able to send the specialists with their equipment to be able to provide this service. Honourable Speaker, we also have visiting cardiac teams, and in every year we have about 4 teams that come and visit our hospitals, and these are from centers and hospitals of excellence abroad, and they collaborate with our local staff. Some of our staff have been working with them for about 10 years and have grown in their experience and exposure, and they provide services for both children and also adults. They are cardiac screening and investigation, follow-up care, echocardiography, angiography or angioplasty, and surgery for those who have congenital heart conditions, such as a hole in the heart, to be simple in the words that I'm using today. Also surgery for valve diseases, such as rheumatic heart, and emergency surgery for coronary arteries as and when required. The visiting teams have been coming for more than 20 years, and the initial team that's still coming is the team out of Australia, initiated through Sydney Adventist Hospital, and recently over the years this is also involved. We have the Friends of Fiji Heart that come out of New Zealand. We also have the Cyprema and also another institution that comes. So now we have 4, initially 1. The visiting team and specialists also provide training for our staff with the skills and knowledge that are transferred to our local teams for ongoing care. In addition, we also have referral of cardiac patients that are complex. For example, there may be patients that that our local specialists see and are referred to the visiting team as they come, the four of them, and they may actually view it as being risky to be able to undertake a very difficult, complex procedure here locally. And these patients, apart from the patients that have been found through other pathways, are being referred overseas. And to this, government in the 2018-2019 budget allocated $2 million for overseas referral, of which $350,000 alone was for cardiac cases. And this is for operation costs, accommodation, and airfares. In this year's budget, it's estimated at around 1.5 million to 2 million that will be used for visiting for overseas referral. And again, it's estimated at about 350,000 or lesser, because we are working towards that public-private partnership that's been discussed earlier today, and in the hope that in the next year, as this begins to pan out even more, that there will be availability of complex, specialist, open heart, and even cardiac procedures, and the cost of sending our Fijians overseas will drop. So in essence, Honorable Speaker, there is a very complex variety of cardiac diseases that can be treated locally, both by our local cardiologists and also those that visit us regularly. I must also say that we have a number of private health facilities such as Miot, Pacific Hospital, the Nandi International Clinic, and the visiting team comprehend by those that come overseas and support our local Fijians. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.
I thank the Honourable Minister.